Today's project is
maybe landscaping.
maybe.
Yeah.
I thought we had agreed on doing the berm.
Right. We'll see how that goes.
Okay. Steve's still waking up this morning.
Right. Doesn't really like shoveling.
Doesn't like shoveling. Yeah. So our plan is, because we're really bad about getting the GoPro out once we get in go mode, is to dress up our berm today. Because it's really open fields out there, we get a crazy amount of wind. When it's windy, it is windy. So when our excavators came a while back just to clean up around the concrete pad for the building, Steve had them build a berm. And now we've got chunks of concrete sitting on site from cutting out for the poles for the new barn. And it occurred to us that those concrete chunks actually kind of look like the nice landscaping stone that everyone's using. From a distance, I think it's going to pass muster. So we're going to set some of those in the berm, and we're going to use our railroad ties to build a bit of a wall and just start getting, a little bit more of a wind block going there and see how far we get today. And there you have it. Our berm has a railroad tie fence, and some concrete slab landscaping stones, free. And not done yet. We're going to put some wood chip around it. We're going to plant some grasses, and this is going to serve as a bit of a wind block for our patio. And just some decorative landscaping.